let's bring some light to me. Hello guys, what is up today? We're gonna do something different. Look at his haircut. Look at his fucking haircut. New Dutch haircut, it's really nice. So, we are gonna make the fucking house party. We are gonna buy the speaker. I mean, we are gonna trade first, of course. So which one are we gonna buy? We got two options. And yeah, I mean, last time we checked that two of them were like decent. At least they look like it, I don't know. But he's claiming that it's too cheap. It can't be so good. Oh. But I disagree, Yeah. We'll
test it out, man.
I will test it out, yeah. He got the money, bro. Let's roll. Boys night. While we're walking, I need to check two stores. Which first is gonna be Bershka, because I like Samura over there. Yeah. And the second one is gonna be Kyle's, which Kyle's grooming stuff. No. Personal care stuff. Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright, I think I'm gonna try this out because I like it. Every time I see it, I just want to buy it. But right now, I think today is the day. I told him it's expensive, and he told me like, no, it's
cheap, man.
It's cheap. It's too big. It's oversized, you know.
Yeah. Let's try the other one.
Only thing we bought. Take a guess. Drinks. I need to buy something today. I don't know. I'm relieved right now. I feel relieved.
There was a guy in an airplane and he yelled that he had the coronavirus and they arrested him and he had to pay like $25,000.
$25,000?
Yeah, it's a fine.
That was a lie, right?
Yeah, he didn't have it, but it was a joke. And
we were talking about that if I yell in the middle of the center of Tarragota, if I yell like I got the coronavirus, bro, what would happen? And he told me this, so yeah. What did we buy? Yeah.
I got these for free.
You got some presents?
Yeah, man. I'm gonna try it out.
We went to the Carl store, which is for the personal care and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah? What did I buy?
For your face.
For my face?
You need to moisturize.
Moisturize, yeah, that's my man right there. I bought this. Hold on, let me. Okay, guys, today this is my best. You remember the makeup girls?
Yeah.
Girls? Oh, we almost survived. Quick update. We were just discussing that. How are we gonna able to take the speaker home? Cause it is like fucking big, decent, solid, and I wish it's gonna have like at least like quality. I mean like medium quality or something. Going, getting things done, and I'll see you guys tonight. No, I mean before tonight I'll see you also, but yeah.
Yo guys, we just are going to buy this fucking speaker and it's gonna be sick.
Crazy, 130, but it's gonna be fucking worth it, bro.
Man.
It's gonna worth it. It's crazy.
It sounds so good.
It's crazy.
Ege and I are getting this speaker here. We just tested it out. It sounds fucking sick. It's gonna get some good fucking parties for us, man.
You know what? I'm so proud of. We did it. We fucking did it. I'm so proud of us, and we fucking did it. We paid 130, but it's worth it. It's fucking worth it. And I'm gonna shoot the fucking product. This sound fucking insane. This sound was fucking insane. Tonight we are gonna have a fucking party, alright? So let me shoot it. What do you say first? Crazy, right? Great. Let's take this home, bro. Bro, this is our mine, alright? I put fucking 35. He put fucking 20. So we're in the charge of it. We're in the fucking charge of it. And we don't care anyone. We are gonna make the greatest parties of all time in this fucking Tarragota, the house parties. I'm so pumped. I'm so psyched. Shit. It's like almost my height, bro.
Yeah.
They're in the same height. I know I'm not tall, but we're in the fucking same height. I like tonight is gonna be lit, so stay tuned, guys. Bye. So we're heading home. We are gonna taste this fucking out, and then we are gonna go buy some alcohol. I cannot wait to show you guys. Yo, this is the time. This is the time that we've been waiting for a long time. Before going upstairs, we're having a dinner all together. My Italian friends and Adrian. Oh my god, look how handsome he is, bro. Look how handsome he is. Especially when he's fucking cooking, he's like more handsome. Like his charisma, you know, I'm just losing my mind. It's like I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know. So guys, let me introduce yourself.
Hi.
I didn't.
I'm Sarah.
You're Sarah?
I'm Italian. I'm from Milan.
Yeah, I get your accent. Yeah, you're right. You're from Milan? You learn? That's good. Great.
So.
That's it. Let's see.
Ciao.
They don't know Italian.
Sono Enrico. I'm Enrico. I'm from Cagliari,
Oh,
Sardinia.
Tell me something in Italian.
Ciao belli. Divertite.
Great. Adrian.
Hello.
How you doing, bro?
Good.
Tonight's
I
gonna
don't
be.
need to introduce myself.
I know.
Videos.
Tonight's gonna be sick. You think?
Yes, of course.
Well, let me-
Every Friday is
Every
sick. It's
Friday's a
Kembo.
Kembo, yeah, bro. He is the best chief I know. Okay. Oh, crazy! He's showing his skills, but let's see upstairs.
Who's a
It's going
pervert?
to be crazy. I'm not fucking pervert. What do you mean?
No, I didn't say pervert. I said person
Person.
who is very full of himself. You can be a pervert too, and we don't know.
So put this to the top of yourself, okay?
What?
Yeah. Sure.
Who is talking?
What does that mean?
Him, it's
I was sleeping back here, I should
Bro, today's Friday.
Just go. Come on.
Alex Roman.
I'm upstairs. The party's going crazy, better than I thought. So guys, you made this. You should be proud of yourself. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Let me show you crazy.